walking. I'm almost home, and inside the garage where I live, there's a little bird inside. He or she can easily get outside. Just not trying to scare him. Hi. How are you doing? If I had anything to give you, I would. I wish I'd have got some peanuts at the vending. I think you can get out anyway. Huh. Wonder how you get out. How'd you get in? You might have a problem, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. How do you get out of there, buddy? Because I don't think you can squeeze through. Can you squeeze through this? Let me go to the other side and see. Maybe the bird might have a problem, actually. I don't want a bird to be stuck. Gonna go inside and see. I got it closed up, sorry. Gonna go inside and see. See where the birdie is. Birdie, you caught inside here? You want me to help you get out? I probably am not gonna be able to do that. I'm gonna imagine the bird can get out if the bird really wants to get out, I hope. Are you able to get out, honey? Do you want me to go get you some bread or something? Some bread and water? I might go upstairs and get the bird some bread and water. So I'm a little concerned about it. Otherwise, I'm not sure how to get it out without putting something on it and taking it outside. I don't think it's good for it to be stuck in here. Are you stuck in here, honey? I'm gonna get you some bread and water and maybe try to get you out of here, okay? All right. I'm gonna say bye and I'm gonna get some food for the little bird.